Teamcenter is the platform for comprehensive electrical component library management. In this scenario, there's an interference between one component on the printed circuit board and the external housing. The component's orientation must be changed. With an expedition, the design engineer changes the component's orientation by selecting the alternate package definition associated to the component. After the component is changed, the engineer can alter the printed circuit board perspective by using the embedded 3D view. The design is then saved into Teamcenter. Within NX, the same printed circuit board design is opened, but it does not contain the latest changes proposed by the expedition engineer. The NX engineer must load the latest changes into the design from Teamcenter. After the assembly is updated, the design now contains the modified orientation for the changed electrical component as proposed by the electrical engineer. In Teamcenter, any engineer can easily access the detailed electrical component information as well as all of the associated physical design orientations. Teamcenter's rich visualization provides graphical views of the two different component placement options which were used in the Expedition and NX PCB designs.